to release fixed CO2 in the event of fire in engine room. So yan naman yung instruction chart guys for CO2 fire extinguishing system. So i-follow mo yun lang yung ano, bulang kristal. So anong sabi sa bulang kristal guys? Letter A, in the event of fire in engine room, go to the release control cabinets located at fire control station. So nandito ako sa loob ngayon ng fire control station guys. So i-locate natin yung sinasabi na control cabinet. So ito na guys, katabi lang niya. So sabi sa bulang kristal guys, so ito na yung CO2 fire extinguishing system release control cabinet engine room. Ang sabi sa bulang kristal, open this door, alarms will be activated, vent fans will be stopped. So open this door. How to open the door guys? So may susi na naman guys. Oh, may ano naman. So ito yung susi niya. Break the glass, take the key. So paslak nyo lang yan guys. Okay, tapos yan yung ano niya. Oh. Pareha lang naman dito sa CO2 room na yung sa kuhaan yung fire in the cargo hold. So anong sabi pa sa bulang kristal guys? So ensure all personnel have vacated the protective space. Tapos close vents, doors and hatches. Open one cylinder valve guys. So ang open one cylinder valve guys, yan ito guys ha. Yan yun, one lang daw. Oh yan yung dalawa kasi yan 1 tsaka 2. Ito yan, nakita? Yan to, ito. Yan yun guys. Tapos ano pa sabi sa bulang kristal? Open valve number 1 and number 2. Okay, open valve number 1. Saan may yung valve number 1 and number 2 guys? Oh, dito pa rin sa loob guys. Ito, silipin natin ha. Ito, yan oh. Oh, may joystick, diba? Ito, joystick no. Yan, anong sabi sa bulang kristal dyan no? Ito, yung may name dyan oh. Number 1 for main valve. Okay, so close ngayon yan dahil lang naka-up ang joystick. So i-down mo lang yan guys, ma-open na yan. So sabi dalawa daw, open valve number 1 and number 2. Yung number 2 guys, saan? Ito guys, ito. Yan. Okay, yung joystick nya. Kita ito yung joystick nya. Tapos sabi bulang kristal, number 2 for cylinder valve, close, open oh. So pull down nyo lang yan guys. So okay na yan. So sabi sa bulang kristal guys, tapos na ng number 5, open valve number 1, now system is in operation. So yan lang kadali guys ang sa engine room no. Pero okay, since maliit ano lang to, medyo konti lang na video, i-tackle natin yung yung in case ba, sabi nito now system is in case of emergency. Sabi kasi dito sa emergency guys, ito in case of failure in system operation from the control cabinet. Siyempre double check mo pa rin guys. Sabi dyan now system is in operation, pero pag punta mo dun sa CO2 guys, sa CO2 room, siguraduhin nyo na ang system talaga nag-ooperate, just in case na yung parang hindi mo ito nag-ooperate. So ito na guys, proceed for emergency operation. Go to the CO2 room, puntahan mo yung CO2 room guys. Tapos number 1, ensure all personnel have evacuated from the space to be flooded. Okay na tayo dyan. Number 2, all vent fans, stop doors, okay na tayo dyan. Open the relevant main valve. May main valve kasi ito yung yung doon sa CO2 room. So i-open nyo yun. I-open nyo yun manually. Ito na guys, kaya nga kailangan ng in case na hindi na open, baka maya sarado, hindi nag-activate yung guys, yung main valve nya, kaya i-open siya manually. O yan yung sa number 3, open the relevant main valve. So hand wheel type, lever type. Tapos number 4, go to the cylinder and open the cylinder valve. So puntahan mo manually yung mga mismo yung CO2 cylinder guys, isa-isahin mo bukas. O para talaga ma-open siya, kasi hindi nga na-activate yung yung sa remotely na procedure. So kailangan mo ng manual procedures. So take some time, take same action rapidly for the required quantities of CO2 cylinders. Now the system is operated. Yun lang guys, kadali. Di ba? So sana guys may natutunan. So sa aming barko, yan yung how to release fix CO2 fire extinguishing system sa makina. Ilang guys, dapat kasi ngayon sabi sa bulang kristal, ang engine room halos lahat na ng guys, lahat na ng CO2 no. Engine room mo about 201 na na cylinder needed. So So yan lang guys. So sana may natutunan. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the notification for more updates. So hanggang sa muli, yan yung ano natin, souvenir natin sa barko na to. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Hanggang sa muli guys, paalam, babush.